a mouse, cause I'm an albatross.
Hello students, welcome to my next video of chapter number 6, dissolution of partnership firm. I think in previous video you might have got a complete idea about the various accounts what we are going to prepare in dissolution of partnership firm and the journal entries whichever we are going to record in this chapter. Today we are going to solve question number 2 of chapter, page number 244. So students, now this sum is based on journal entries. This sum is based on journal entries. So I would request you to make a column for journal entries in 2 pages as how I have made it. If you can see, I have made 2 pages for journal entries. Journal entries in the books of Janaki, date, particulars, debit amount and credit amount. This you will make it in 2 pages. You will make in 2 pages. So first you have to make column for 2 pages, that is journal entries. You have to make column for journal entries. So the column for journal entries is date, particulars, debit and credit amount. Okay, and then in our rough we can, as a working note, we can make a very small realization account and a very small partners capital account. Okay, so these 2 accounts we will make in rough note, but first we will do the entries and then we will make the working note for realization account and partners capital account. So we will start the sum idea. So if you see the question, now here nothing is to mark as adjustment, we will just directly write. First step is, I think you have to transfer all the assets to realization account and all the liabilities in the realization account. Just for question number 2, Leela, Manda and Kunda are partners in the firm sharing profits and loss in the ratio 3:2:1 respectively. On 31st March 2018, they decided to dissolve the firm when their balance sheet was as under. You can see assets are given to you: building, machinery, motor car, goodwill, investment, data, stock. These all will be transferred to realization account, and we are opening a bank account, so we will write the bank in the bank account. On the liability side, you have creditors, you have bills payable. Now creditors, bills payable, they are liabilities. Then you have capital accounts. Leela, Manda and Kunda. So we are going to make in a rough note Leela, Manda and Kunda. But right now we will first solve the journal entries. Leela agreed to take over building at 1,23,600. Manda took over goodwill, stock and debtors at book value. Book value means the value what is given in the assets, and agreed to pay creditors and bills payable. Motor car and machinery realized means over here sold 1,51,080 and 31,680 respectively. Investments were taken by Kunda at an agreed value of rupees 55,440 rupees. Realization expenses amounted to rupees 6,800. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of Janaki stores. So first thing, we will be transferring all the assets in realization account. So first entry, we will be transferring all the assets in realization account. So realization के डेबिट में जाएगा, तो realization account debit. It's a very easy chapter. Realization account debit to all assets. So building account, building is 1,02,000 because it is credited, so write the amount in credit column. To building, to machinery account 73,000. 2 motor car account 1,67,600. Then 2 goodwill account 45,600. 2 investment account 62,400. 2 debtors account 30,600. 2 stock account 45,000. So we have to total all this. We have to total all this. It comes to 5,26,200. 5,26,200. Then we will write the narration. Being assets transferred at book value. Second, bank account is given. A bank account we will write in bank account. We are opening a bank account, but as such we are not preparing a ledger account, so bank account will not have any postings. Creditors and bills payable, they are liabilities. They are outside liabilities, so that we will be transferring to realization account, credit side. So credit side will be transferred. So creditors account debit, bills payable account debit to realization account. So 28,800, 21,600, 50,400. Being liabilities are transferred at book value. Book value means the value what is given in the balance sheet asset side, balance sheet. Then capital account is given to you, Leela, Manda and Kanta, that will be transferred into capital account only. Now we jump to the adjustment. Leela agreed to take over building at 1,23,600 and Manda took over goodwill, stock and debtors at book value and agreed to pay creditors and bills payable. So here Leela, first we talk about Leela. Leela agreed to take building. So Leela is taking the building. Leela is a receiver. So we write here Leela is a receiver. Leela capital account debit. Leela is a receiver. Leela capital account debited to building. She has taken building. Building we have kept in realization account. So we write realization account. Leela's capital account debit. Leela's capital, because Leela is a receiver. Leela's capital account debit to realization account. Being building taken over. Being building taken over. So the amount is 1,23,600. 1,23,600. Fourth adjustment, Manda took over goodwill, stock and debtors. Manda is taking goodwill, stock and debtors at book value. So Manda is the receiver. Manda is taking the, so we write here Manda capital. Manda is a receiver of the asset. So Manda's capital account debited to realization account because all the assets are written in realization account. All the assets are written in realization account. So we write Manda's capital account debit to realization account, being goodwill, stock and debtors taken over. Being goodwill, stock and debtors taken over. So the amount is, we have to calculate because they have taken at book value. Which all elements they have taken? Goodwill. So goodwill, value of goodwill is 45,600 plus value of goodwill. Stock is 45,000 plus debtor is 30,600. So you add up this. You will be getting 1,21,200. So 1,21,200 being goodwill, stock and debtors taken over. Then fifth one is and agree to pay. Now here the liabilities are paid by Manda. So Manda is the giver of the liabilities. Manda is making the payment of the liability. So Manda's capital account will be credited. So who is debited? Realization account is debited. Realization account debited to Manda's capital account, being creditors and bills payable. Paid. So here the Manda is the giver of the liability. So Manda's capital account is credited. Realization account is debited. So we write realization account debited to Manda's capital account, being creditors and bills payable paid. So the amount of creditors and bills payable is 50,400. Okay. Then sixth entry, motor car and machinery realized rupees 1,51,080 and 31,680 respectively. So motor car and machinery realized का मतलब उसको हमने market में बेच दिया. We sold it in the market and we got the money. So we got the money. So पैसा आया. So we write here bank account debited to, because cash comes in on selling the assets, cash will come in. So we write bank account debited to realization account, being motor car and machinery, realized. Bank is a receiver because पैसा बैंक में आ रहा है, तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. सो 1,51,080 plus 31,680, 1,82,760. So the first is the assets are realized, that is motor car and machinery is sold. So when assets, that is motor car and machinery is sold, so journal entry will be bank account debited to realization account. So bank account debited to realization account. So you total the amount 1,51,080. So we will be getting 1,82,760 being motor car and machinery realized. Seventh one, investments were taken by Kunda at an agreed value. So investment is taken by Kunda. So investment is taken by Kunda. Kunda is a receiver. So we write Kunda's capital account debit. Kunda's capital account debited to realization account being investment taken over, 55,440. Then eighth and this entry is realization expenses amounted to rupees 6,800. So realization expenses, that is when we wind up the business, जब business को हम बंद करते हैं तो we come across some small expenses. So those expenses to be paid, and those expenses are called realization account, realization expenses, which will be written in realization account. So we write here realization account debited, realization account debited to bank account being realization expenses paid. So it comes to the amount is 6,800. Ninth one is we need to, now I think we have finished all the entries. Now before closing the entries, we have to check whether all liabilities are paid or not. See, if there is no instruction given about the liabilities, some of the liabilities are not paid, and if those instructions are not given, then by default you have to remember that we have to pay it off. Liabilities you cannot skip, liabilities को पे करना ही पड़ेगा, आपको उसको पे करना ही है. तो liabilities के बारे में अगर देखा जाएगा तो शायद से हमने paid off कर दिया है. Creditors and bills payable is paid by Leela. So I think now we can close the realization account. अब किस तरह से रियलाइजेशन क्लोज करेंगे? रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट को क्लोज करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, छोटा सा, ओके, वी विल प्रिपेयर ए वेरी स्मॉल रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. एक वर्किंग नोट जैसा हम लोग बोलेंगे, एक छोटा सा रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट हम बनाएंगे ऐसा. तो इसको हम दो, सिंपल ये वर्किंग नोट है इसलिए मैं ऐसा बना रहा हूँ. अभी आप देखो कहाँ कहाँ पे रियलाइजेशन अमाउंट है, रियलाइजेशन का नाम है. जैसा कि देखो अभी अपना पहला एंट्री में रियलाइजेशन है जो कि वो डेबिट में है. तो डेबिट में है तो डेबिट में सिर्फ अमाउंट लिखो 5,26,200, क्योंकि ये वर्किंग नोट है, ये आपका आंसर का हिस्सा नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट पार्ट ऑफ योर आंसर. सो रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट 5,26,200. देन सेकेंड एंट्री में देखो है रियलाइजेशन है किधर है, क्रेडिट साइड में 1,23,600. सो 1,23,600. थर्ड में सेकेंड हुआ, अब थर्ड, सॉरी सेकेंड, हमने थर्ड पहले देख लिया. सेकेंड में देखो, सेकेंड में भी रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट है जो कि क्रेडिट साइड में है. द अमाउंट इज 50,400. सो वी राइट ऑन क्रेडिट साइड 50,400. कम टू फोर्थ एंट्री. इन फोर्थ एंट्री में देखो रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड में है 1,21,200. 1,21,200 क्रेडिट साइड में है. फिफ्थ एंट्री में डेबिट साइड में है, तो फिफ्थ एंट्री में डेबिट साइड में है. सो राइट ऑन डेबिट साइड 50,400. सिक्स्थ एंट्री में रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट है क्रेडिट साइड में. सो क्रेडिट साइड में लिखो 1,82,760. 1,82,760. फिर सेवेंथ एंट्री में देखो रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट है क्रेडिट साइड में 55,440. एंड देन एट्थ एंट्री देखो रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट में है. सो वी राइट ऑन डेबिट साइड 6,800. सो नाउ वी हैव टू क्लोज इट. देखना है कि प्रॉफिट हुआ है कि लॉस हुआ है, वी हैव टू क्लोज करना. क्लोजिंग का मेथड वही है जिस तरह हम हमेशा करते हैं, टोटल द डेबिट साइड, टोटल द क्रेडिट साइड. So on totaling it, if you see, if you total the debit side, the total comes to 5,83,400, and if you total the credit side up till here, it comes to 5,33,400. So it's very clear that debit side is heavier than credit side. So write the debit side amount 5,83,400 on both the side, and from the debit side amount subtract the credit side amount. You will be getting a loss of 50,000. This 50,000 you distribute among the partners in the ratio 3:2:1. So you will be writing 50,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 6. The total ratio comes to 6. Similar way, 50,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 6, you will be getting 16666.666. You will be getting 16666.666. You will be getting. So what you will do? You will round it off. So it becomes 16667. Similar way, 50,000 into 1 divided by 6, you will be getting 8333.333333. Again, you will not round up because after decimal you have 3. So your number will remain as it is, 8333. Then check whether our value is right or not. You add all these 3 value. On adding these 3 value, you will be getting 50,000. So that means our answer is right. Now the journal entry for this will be, now see, realization account is credited. Okay, so this amount will go where? To partners capital account debit side. So partners capital account will be debit side. So right here, Leela's capital account debit, Leela's capital account debit, Manda's capital account debit, Kunda's capital account debit to realization account, being loss on realization, transfer. So 25,000, 16,667, 8,333. On adding this, you will be getting 50,000. So this will with the help of this, we got the realization account, loss or profit. Now we have to find out the closing balance of partners capital account. So again, we will make, in a rough page, we will make partners capital account. We will make a rough work in partners capital account. Partners capital account. We will make partners capital account. So we have 3 partners. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. See, this is a rough note. This is a working note. So you will write here Leela, Manda, Kunda. Leela, Manda and Kunda. First we will transfer the opening balance. The opening balance of, you will be getting the balance sheet, which is 2,27,160, 1,44,000 and 1,08,000. 2,27,160, 1,44,000 and 1,08,000. Okay. Now we will see in our entry wherever the partners name are specified. In first entry there is no partner. In second entry no partner. Third entry, Leela is debited. So Leela is debited. So write in debit side of Leela account 1,23,600. 1,23,600. Same way, next entry, Manda is debited. So Manda is debited 1,21,200. 1,21,200 debited. Then next one, Manda is credited. Manda is credited. So write in credit side of Manda's capital account 50,400. 50,400. Then you have bank account. Then you have Kunda's capital. Kunda is debited. So Kunda is debited 55,440. 55,440. 55,440. Then you have realization bank account. Then we have capital account debited. So write on debit side 25,000 Leela's column, 16,667 in Manda's column, 8,333 in Kunda's column. So now we have to close this account. We have to close this account. So now on totaling, I total the debit side of Leela. So this and this, if I add, I'll be getting 1,48,600. This and this I added, I got 1,37,867. This and this I added, I got 63,773. This will come as it is 2,27,160. 1,44,000 plus 50,400 you add up, you will be getting 1,94,400, and this will be 1,08,000. If you compare now, लीला का डेबिट साइड में 1,48,600 है और क्रेडिट में 2,27,160 है. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि क्रेडिट साइड ज़्यादा है. तो क्रेडिट साइड ज़्यादा है, ये दोनों बाजू लिखो. अब उसमें से इसको माइनस करो. 2,27,160 में से 1,48,600 को माइनस करो, आपको मिलेगा 78,560. दिस विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट अकाउंट, दैट इज बैंक अकाउंट. दिस विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट अकाउंट, दैट इज बैंक अकाउंट. सिमिलर वे मंदा का टोटल आ रहा है 1,37,867 और मंदा क्रेडिट साइड में है 1,94,400. तो क्रेडिट साइड का अमाउंट ज़्यादा है. सो राइट दिस अमाउंट ऑन बोथ द साइड. फ्रॉम दिस सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस अमाउंट 1,94,400 minus 1,37,867. You will be getting 56,533. This will go to bank account. सेम वे कांदा का क्रेडिट साइड में है 1,08,000, यहाँ पे है 63,773. तो क्रेडिट साइड ज़्यादा है, तो राइट द क्रेडिट साइड अमाउंट ऑन बोथ द साइड. सो इसमें से इसको माइनस करो, 1,08,000 में से माइनस करो 63,773, यू विल बी गेटिंग 44,227. दिस इज द बैलेंसिंग फिगर. Okay, now we will make a bank account. Like we will make a small bank account we are going to prepare. So बैंक का ओपनिंग बैलेंस जो है, बैंक का जो ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑलरेडी दिया है बैलेंस शीट में, तो दैट यू राइट ऑन डेबिट साइड. द अमाउंट है 3360. 3360 ये सब वर्किंग नोट में 3360. फिर देखो कहाँ कहाँ पर बैंक का नाम है. देखो फर्स्ट एंट्री में बैंक नहीं है, सेकेंड एंट्री में बैंक नहीं है, थर्ड एंट्री में भी नहीं है, फोर्थ में नहीं है, फिफ्थ में नहीं है, सिक्स्थ में है. डेबिट साइड में है 1,82,760. सो राइट ऑन डेबिट साइड 1,82,760. फिर नहीं है सेवेंथ में, एट्थ में है, क्रेडिट साइड में है 6,800. सो क्रेडिट साइड में है 6,800. फिर उसके बाद नाइन्थ में भी नहीं है. टेंथ में हमने एक एंट्री छूट गया हमारा, ये दिख रहा है बैंक, ये आपका दिख रहा है डेबिट साइड में है. सो दिस विल गो टू क्रेडिट साइड. सो ये क्रेडिट साइड में आ जाएगा 78,560, 56,533, 44,227. हमें इसका एंट्री लिखना बाकी था एज आवर क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन जनरल एंट्रीज, सो आई एम राइटिंग इट ओवर हियर. तो who is debited? Partners is debited, so we write here Leela's capital account debit, Manda's capital account debit, Kanda's capital account debit to bank account. So 78,560, 56,533, 44,227. If you add this, you will be getting 1,79,320. Okay. So now if we total the bank account, you can see you're getting 1,86,120. means your bank account will get tallied in the solution chapter. Okay, so students, I think I have made it very clear with all. I think in this sum we have done everything with journal as well as ledger. See, we have done a small realization account, then we have solved partners capital account, and then we have solved bank account also. So that means this sum we are having both the things, ledger as well as journal, because see children, when journal is asked, so definitely we have to make ledger account also, then only you will be getting the profit or loss. So we have to prepare them in a working note. Okay, so when only ledger is asked, that time the sum will be very easy and you will get over very fast also. Okay students, thank you.
Still looking at me.